Maurice, short reaction lang sa film. So, hi Maurice.
Hello!
Yeah, short reaction lang sa film.
Short reaction.
Yeah,
Short lang talaga.
pwede rin long if you want.
Sobrang nagandahan ako sa film. You know what? Dumating ako, I wasn't expecting anything. Pero it's such a wonderful and a very heartfelt film. Lalo na it means so much to direct JP. And now knowing na inahandog niya yun for his, very very emotional. It really makes me think about my, relationship with my father.
Last question. Last question. How was your experience in the red carpet sa first International Film Festival mo sa Sunshine?
Sa Berlinale.
Yeah, sa Berlinale.
Grabe. Masaya po. Super. And yun yung moment na lagi kong binabalikan. And very happy ako noon. Very happy ako to represent the Philippines in Berlinale.
Are you open to acting sa Hollywood if ever may agent?
If ever, let's claim it. Let's claim it.
Okay. Thank you, Maurice.
Salamat po. Thank you. Sorry po, ano yung question?
Yung Olsen, ano masasabi mo about
Sobrang ganda na pelikula. Sobrang simple ng story. Pero sobrang ramdam ko yung puso ng script. Yung intention ni Direct JP. And hindi ko in-expect na sobrang matamaan ako sa film. Sobra kasi iba sa akin yung parang kapag sobrang personal sa writer and director yung film. And I hope marami po makanood.
Congratulations sa Incognito pa lang. Ang galing-galing mo doon. Sana more acting action pa.
Social Climber.
Oh, Social Climber also.
And sa global ng Netflix.
Yes, thank you.
So more international movie do I expect
Sana po.
Sasuportahan mo siya.
Thank you, Marie.
Congrats, Dad.
Thank you, Dad.
Sure tayo, Maris.
Andun. Kasi ganda. Ano din siya sa mga tao. Ano?
I feel very connected to the character. So it's a very personal film for JP, and that kind of resonated with me. So it's a privilege to share this story with him. Yeah, it's pretty heavy, but stories like this, they remind us of the value of our relationships, our family, and just the value of life in general. Sorry.
Did you have a roller coaster birthday before, like Olsen?
Parang wala pa naman. I'm not big on birthdays. That's something that I think I share with Olsen. I find it kind of weird celebrating my birthday. So wala namang ganun ka roller coaster yet, but in terms of emotion, parang siguro I think and somehow I can relate to him.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wala na yun. Saan andun?
Ay.
Okay. Saan tayo?
Ay,
Nakita ko sa movie.
Patingin Thank you.
Siya maganda Mr. Princess saan ba? Sino? Yung babae. Si Leia. Hindi ko nga, tulungan mo ko, asan ba yun?
Office meeting ka.
Alam ko siya yun, pero in person kasi pakita rin. Sama ni Lola. Yung theater, yung theater, and she's from theater. Ikaw ba, are you open to do theater?
Dream ko po talaga yun. Dream ko yun. Pero
Do you
sana
prefer a
kung
musical?
bago ako sumabak sa entablado, siguro mga 1 year rehearsal. Kahit? Hindi, kaya-kaya niya na effortless yan.
You sing, you sing very well So would you prefer
Sing and
would you
dance.
prefer, triple threat. So would you prefer your first theatrical production to be a screenplay o musical yung gusto mong sabakan namin?
Rock of Ages.
Wow! Ay, peta!
Maririnig yung mention
Ano ka sa peta to? Ayan, so last question na lang, if ever, kasi sobrang close yun If ever magkaka-project kayo in the future, ano sa tingin niyo?
Parang hindi po namin.
Talaga namin kaya magka-excel. Parang
Tatawanan kayo.
Oo. Kadiri.
Lalo kung mabigat yung Excel, parang hindi ko kaya. Nag-cameo nga ako sa MV niya para magtitinginan lang kami doon. Hindi namin.
So, paano kayo naging close? I mean, sobrang parang akala ko nga
Tank show.
Yes.
Na magka-excel na. Ay,
Hindi, magkabahay kami.
Magkabahay kami since on lock-in. And then, unfortunately, na-meet ko siya. And then,
Unfortunately, kapal ang mukha mo.
oo, tapos parang, ito na kami. Parang best friends na.
Sige, last na. At siguro ano na lang yung advice nyo to finding, well, siguro the friends in, sa mga sets, sa mga cover.
Ayun. Happy Women's Month,
Siguro sa namin, mag-share kayo ng Spotify playlist, tapos dyan kayo mag-bond over, tapos mag-photoshoot kayo. Tapos gamitin niyo yung friend yung pang-photoshoot para sa trabaho. Siya yun, naging photographer ko siya. Tapos then kami nag-bond over, naging close na kami. And then, yun na yun.
Sabihin mo yung pambubuli mo sa